Me and Cameron are stuck at my house. It's raining. I think I might want to walk out there, but I can't with the camera. Who you calling?
Mom.
Your mommy?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. There's probably some dead beetles in there. If you like dead beetles, then there you go.
Right, don't pick up the phone. Be that way then.
Cameron's bike, the Batmobile.
It's not.
It's all black and red. Yeah, you say.
My nose! Look at this. Look at the
My cheek. Oh, now my eyeball.
To the rain. That's my magical fairy ball!
Why don't you come and get it then?
I'll get the camera wet. Fairy ball.
Magical fairy ball.
Thank you. This is just like in the middle of his yard out of nowhere. No one knows who put it there. What is that?
But I have two of them. It's right here.
Too hard.